Infectious disease specialist Dr. Anthony Fauci set to testify this morning on Capitol Hill as a handful of states bring back restrictions amid a spike in infection rates.
With so many states struggling to contain the rapidly spreading disease, Americans are urged to wear masks and practice social distancing.
The communication around "you are safer at home" has helped save lives and slow the spread. Remember, arm yourself with a mask. It's your best defense against this virus.
This is real. People are dying. People are getting sick. People are going to the hospital. People are in ICU beds, and people who are asymptomatic or infecting their loved ones. So it just doesn't make sense. And quite frankly, I have lost patience with you on that regard. So this is not a political deal.
As we head into the Independence Day weekend, Casey Stegall is live in Dallas for us this morning. Hey, Casey, good morning.
Sandra, good morning to you. Yeah, at least 16 states, in fact, have now either paused or pulled back on their reopening plans. And Arizona is now taking a much more aggressive approach. The governor in that state has now ordered that bars are closed, gyms, theaters, water parks, and inner tubing businesses. The latest statewide directive went into effect last night, and it also caps gatherings of the public at 50 and 10 at swimming pools. This is in response to both an increase of new cases across the Grand Canyon state, but also a growing number of hospitalizations. 84% of Arizona's inpatient beds are currently occupied. 88% of ICU beds are full.
This is real. It's not going away anytime soon. And I would hate for any of you to see what we are seeing on a daily basis. So stay safe, please.
Now, in addition to a growing list of Florida beach closures for the upcoming 4th of July holiday weekend, now you can add Los Angeles beaches as well. The County Board of Supervisors voted to close all beaches, piers, beach bike paths, and access points, all in an effort to discourage large gatherings. Meantime, in Texas, bars across the state remain closed, only open in a delivery or carry-out capacity if they meet certain requirements. That follows Governor Greg Abbott's executive order last Friday. Now, in response, about 24 bar owners and private citizens have filed a lawsuit down in Travis County, which is Austin. The suit calls the emergency order unconstitutional and argues that it suspends state law, a power that only the Texas legislature holds, not the governor. Abbott all along has said that the bars were shut down because public health data shows that they were a large contributing factor in the spread of new coronavirus cases, especially among young people. Sandra?
All right, Casey Stegall live in Dallas for us. Casey, thank you.